song sheets ready, or dig into your memories for some of these songs. They're from a variety of places, some of which are wartime songs, some of which are more like prom songs, and some of it are just well-known songs. So we're going to start with How Much Is That Doggie in the Window? How much is that dog in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. I must take a trip to California and leave my poor sweetheart alone. If he has a dog, he won't be lonesome, and the doggie will have a good home. How much is that dog in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. I read in the paper I'm scared of away with one bark. I don't want a Barbie or a kitty. I don't want a parrot that talks. I don't want a bowl of little fishies. You can't take a goldfish for a walk. How much is that dog in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. Thank you. Thank you. Do join in. There are song sheets around. Okay. The next song we're going to sing is The White Cliffs of Dover. I'll never forget the people I met, braving those angry skies. I remember well as the shadow protected sheep. The valley will bloom again, and Jimmy will go to sleep in his own little room again. There'll be flowers above and white lips of love
It's a lot less windy than last evening. We were over on Sholston last evening and it was blowing quite, playing music everywhere. It is quite calm, but we still need a little time to just get loose between numbers. But this one, a little bit of Doris Day. Okay, Sera, Sera.
Doris,
Yes.
Doris.
I'm putting your hand on top of there. I put my hand on there, coming down on top of there.
Oh, nice bit of seagull.
I was just a little girl. I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Sera, Sera, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Sera, Sera, what will be, will be. When I was young, I fell in love. I asked my sweetheart what lies ahead. Will we have rainbows day after day? Is what my sweetheart said. Sera, Sera, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Sera, Sera, what will be, will be. Now I have children of my own. They ask their mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? I tell them tenderly. Sera, Sera, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Sera, Sera, what will be, will be. I can hear some lovely singing from down below as well. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Right. Here we go with the We'll Meet Again.